Hindi ka nag-run, pero ang heavy nung meal mo. Wala kang na-burn na calories, pero magdadagdag ka pa ng calories. Army Navy Gaming, guys. Meron kami dito classic burger, freedom fries, cheese quesadilla, tsaka soft tacos na steak. First bite, guys. Oh. Yung first bite na may kasamang aluminum.
Ito yun?
Ito naman, guys, steak soft taco. Lagyan natin ng salsa at saka ng Army Navy sauce. Army Navy sauce. Yan, guys.
Dati try mo may ganito.
Lime. Cheese quesadilla. Army Navy sauce. Salsa. Army Navy so good.